Well. What do we have here, guys? Let's find out. Oh wow, look at that set. Wow. Sheesh. Well, hey guys, hope you're all enjoying this slightly different style of unboxing slash first reaction video. I wanted to do something slightly different here with this particular video to all of my other style and maybe all of the other style of unboxing videos that are out there. I wanted to give a huge shout out to the guys at Incafe, who are based in New Plymouth. They are the guys here in New Zealand that distribute the Ascaso espresso machines. So huge shout out to those guys at Ascaso New Zealand, Incafe New Zealand, that were able to help me out with the machine, able to answer all the questions that I had about the machine. They were super awesome to work with. Definitely recommend, if you are on the market for one of these beautiful home espresso machines, definitely check those guys out. You will be in very good hands with the knowledge and the people that were there. But wanted to showcase, because the guys at Incafe kindly sent me, as you can see here down in front of me at the below part of your screen, kindly sent me 5 bags of coffee. Well, actually 4 bags of coffee and 1 bag of a organic drinking chocolate, which is a rich dark drinking chocolate from Peru. Huge shout out to those guys at Incafe for sending me this lovely amount of coffee. We've got a single origin here from Peru that is a decaf, which I am 100% into, because as you can imagine, with a new espresso machine and with any new coffee equipment, for anybody that loves coffee, you will be drinking a vast amount more of coffee than what you usually would. I'm just about to start dialing one of these in. I'm going to take a pick. We've got a Java coffee here as well, which sounds absolutely awesome. Strong coffee with a kick and toffee notes. There's a little bit of a rundown in the back there as well. Dark chocolate, dark toffee. Flavors with cinnamon notes, so that one's going to be pretty intense. I reckon that'll probably be quite good for milk coffees. And then we've got the Fiesta blend here as well. I'm just reading these off real quick. I'm not looking for any particular origins, but it's a full flavored coffee with dark chocolate and raisin notes. Easy to drink, balanced coffee for any preparation. Lively blend of flavors of dark chocolate, caramel, and berry notes. Yum. That sounds like a bit of me when it comes to a particular blend. And then we've got the Forza blend here as well. I'm calling it a blend. It is a Italian styled espresso coffee with caramel notes. That's also going to be quite strong, but hey ho, sometimes you need a good strong hit of coffee. And then of course the delicious decaf. So huge shout out to the guys at Incafe who are based in New Plymouth here in New Zealand for hooking me up with the bags of coffee and the drinking chocolate, and of course for getting this beautiful Ascaso home espresso machine on my bench. Now let's get back into the next part of the unboxing video, which is going to be the very first espresso shot on this beautiful machine. Well, maybe not the very first one, because I might have to dial one of these in first. So maybe the second or third one, hopefully. But who knows? Love you guys. Let's get into it. Freaking stoked on the Ascaso home espresso machine. This is the Steel Duo PID version. Side note, next investment, dosing cup. Makes life so much easier.